Headlights cutting through the dark, empty roads, just me and the stars. Radio plays our favorite song, miles to go, but the night is long. Windows down, feel the midnight breeze. The city fades and we're finally free. Street lights blur as we lose our way. Nothing matters but the here and stay. And this night drive nowhere to be, just the road ahead and you next to me. Chasing shadows till the morning light, racing the dawn, we'll hold on tight. And this night drive under the sky, but lost in the moment, just you and I. Let the world keep turning, we won't arrive forever on this endless night drive.